Is your Nintendo Switch storage screaming for help, threatening to halt your gaming adventures? Let's evict those unwanted games and apps. First, from the Nintendo Switch home menu, navigate to System Settings. It's the gear icon. You can't miss it. Scroll down until you spot Data Management selected. This is where the magic happens. Next, choose Manage Software. This will display a list of all the games and applications currently installed on your Nintendo Switch. Browse through the list and select the game or application you want to delete for this demonstration. Let's pick a game we don't play anymore. On the game's information page, you'll see several options. Select Delete Software. A confirmation prompt will appear. Carefully read the prompt to ensure you're deleting the correct item. Confirm your decision by selecting Delete. Don't worry, if it's a digitally purchased game, it stays linked to your Nintendo account. Once the deletion is complete, you'll notice your available space has increased. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted a game. Now you can repeat this process for any other unwanted games or applications. If you deleted a digital game, you can re-download it from the eShop anytime by going to your account icon and selecting re-download. Deleting saved data for physical games is just as easy. Follow the same steps, but remember, deleting the game data does not delete the game from your Nintendo Switch account. This removes the game data and save data from your system. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of deleting games and apps on your Nintendo Switch, freeing up valuable storage space and keeping your console running smoothly. Happy gaming.